Alright, well my name is Jonathan Brower and I'm going to talk about my final project for the Architecture 653 class. First I'm going to talk a little bit about the improvements I made to Project 1. So first I took my subpanel and made the mullions a little bit thicker so that they're easier to see once you get up to the project level. So I loaded that into the Inception panel and then also added some dimension parameters to the diagrid size. That way you can change the size of the diagrid within the project level. So going up to the project level now, you can see just some of the improvements I made. I was able to actually add this stripe to create a better rendering of what the building actually looks like. And another big thing that I was able to do was to carry a lot of instance parameters all the way up to the project level so that you can change a lot of things like the stripe color, the mullion color, and the glass color, and the diagrid color all from the project level, which you were not able to do when I initially did Project 1. So now I'm going to show a couple renderings and get an idea of some of the improvements that I made on my Project 1 model. So now getting into some of the API programming I did. I initially just took Dr. Jan's random color program for all the panels, and I had to work with it to try and apply it to mine, and you can see the result here. And what I actually did for the rest of my project, taking some of the code, I took out of the for loop the part that randomizes the color so that it chooses only one random color, and then I selected all the elements within the stripe to apply that random color to. That way each time I run my program it chooses a random color and then assigns that same random color to all of the panel elements in the stripe. So go back over to my Revit model, or my Revit project, and you can see the stripe here with a random color, and I'm going to run my program one more time using the add-in manager. And you can see the result is that it randomized the color of the stripe and then applied it. So we'll do it one more time just to show what it can do. So again, chose a random color and then applied it only to the stripe that I chose.